Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. To master love, you have to practice love. The art of relationship is a whole mastery, and the only way to reach mastery is with practice. To master a relationship is therefore about action, not about attaining knowledge. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 109, NASDAQ off 13, S&P's off 9.5. All the indices just couldn't hold price out here today, folks. Gold contract down 860, trading 1269. Silver down 22 cents, $16.14. Copper down 13.5 pennies at $2.92 a pound. They sold them all down. Oil up 16 cents, $57.63 a barrel. We're going to get the API numbers out at 4:30 this afternoon. The note and bond market, folks, I'm like a broken record. They want higher price, lower yield. They just refuse to go down. You get the 10-year note up 4 ticks, 124.12. 30-year bond up 21 ticks, 153.22. And that is in light of the aspect that the probability, folks, is like just about 100% that the Federal Reserve, number one, is going to go up on short-term rates on December 13th. The Fed meeting is the 12th and the 13th, which is next week. Right now, the Fed fund probability, implied probabilities, is 98.3% that the short-term rates are going to go up. That being said, guess what? That's a bank-to-bank rate. When we're talking about the 10-year, you're talking about the 30-year, you're talking about the 20-year plus. If we go look at the TLT, they're all up. The 20-year plus TLT today up on 10.9 million shares. That's good volume. You're up 63 cents. You're over the swing point of 126.78. With volume, by the way, guess what? This 10-year, the 20-year plus is on its way up to the 129.56. And if that's what you get, the Fed can go up on the bank-to-bank rate, but that's saying that there's more buyers than the sellers inside the 10, inside the 20, and inside the 30, and that's saying rates are going down. King dollar. King dollar couldn't hold up price either. That was up 81 ticks, 92.940. If we go over and we take a look at King dollar, what you're going to see inside King dollar out here today is that you got up to a price point of 93.100. You closed at 92.940. Bottom line, this looks like it's building cause for a very, very large ABC structure on the way down. Some of the higher volume stocks out here today, this is what you had. You had the Bank of America was down 13 cents. You had GE off 19. Snap got a bid. That was up a $1.37. Wells Fargo was up a $1.16. Inside the NDX 100, which no doubt was the culprit, it sold down once again. And this was bottom line is that window dressing is over, and we certainly didn't have any window dressing this month. So the culprits inside the NDX 100, taking it low, is NetEase. That was down 10 points. Regeneron was down 6. Charter Communications was off 3. BioMolyn was down 2. Bringing it higher, because we did close up 1 point. Inside the NDX 100, Google was up 7 points. Amazon was up 7. You had Electronic Arts up 2.5. Biogen was up 2.5. Ultrasalon was up 2.3. Inside the Dow Industrials, the strength versus the weakness inside the Dow, and the Dow basically took it on the nose out here today. You had Disney was the culprit on the way down. That was putting 20 negative points in. Boeing was putting 16. Goldman 15. Home Depot 14. Caterpillar 9. Positive points, you had Big Mac putting 16 positive points, Visa putting 8, Walmart putting 5, Johnson & Johnson putting 4. The chip stocks, the chips NVDA, the chip stocks no doubt were the runners the last few days on the way down. And what you got out here, folks, is you got follow-through on the way down, and what you also got is that they couldn't hold price. NVIDIA in 7 days rather, is down from $217 to $187. You're coming into the breakout area. I expect what you're going to see with NVIDIA. Today we hit the top of that breakout area. We hit 180.58. The bottom of that is 172. we'll see if, in fact, you're going to build some more cars to get into that area. Lam Research, LRCX, another one, fast, furious, couldn't hold price. You're talking about 8 days from $219 to $180. So picture it, you come down 39 points in 8 days. That's pretty intense, man. That is also into its breakout area. 175 we hit today. The breakout area is 173. Now, Lam Research, folks, is screaming into this break area with monster volume. Not saying it's going to blow it away. If we take a look at this and put this on the weekly, what you're going to see is that we came off the high with 23 million shares after making a high with 6.7. So you made a high with 6.7 the week of the 24th. You come off that with 23 million. You go back down again with 10 million. Bottom line, where's this heading to? This is heading to the breakout area, which is at 140, and we're at 180 right now. So that is about as intense as you can get. AMAT, Applied Materials. We take a look at Applied Materials, same type of setup. Applied Materials is down from a price point of 59 to 50. This also is going into the breakout area. 46 is the number. We hit 48.25 today. 46 is the number. There's some big action, folks, inside these NDX 100 stocks. If we go take a look at the 3Qs, and you want to see the type of selling that we're talking about, what you had with the 3Qs is this. Made a high on a daily basis with 25 million. Came off the high with 71. Came off the high again with 51. Couldn't hold price today with 39. This is also going to try to make its way back to the breakout area, that breakout area being 149. 151.52 is the high of that breakout area. Right now, you're coming into that area with expanded volume. So I suspect we're going to get into it. Small caps, same type of setup inside the small caps. Those babies, this came down today with 27 million shares. Small cap, we're at 150.93. The number to keep your eye on is 150 to 63. If you get inside 150.63, that's the lower range. That puts game into 144. And if we take a look at this and we put this on a weekly basis, what you're going to see is that now this was a test of the high with lighter volume, and we'll see whether it gets inside that lower range. We had the Dow Industrials finish down 109, NASDAQ off 10, NASDAQ off 13, S&P's off 10. Stay right there. We've got our man, Mr. Andy Heck, coming up next, folks.